Hey gang, welcome back to Opaw's Diecast Restoration. Today I'm turning in my monthly build for the Diecast Mafia, and this month's selection was for Corgi, and I decided to use this Corgi Whiz Wheels VW Hot Rod. Before we get started, if you like these videos, please give me a thumbs up and please hit that subscribe button. This one, I drilled out the post as usual, but I knew I was going to have to put it back together with a little epoxy or CA glue because the posts were so tiny. And I moved it up to the little bit bigger bit. I realize you've seen this before. There we go. Base. There's all your major pieces. I tried to show you the process on the stripping, but one thing on the citrus strip is the fact that it doesn't instantly melt right off of the car. So I went and did my usual, drop it in the citrus strip jar. And this is what it looked like afterwards and after a little wire wheel action. There's my cleanup in the mineral spirits. We are getting some primer on it, which of course you can't really see. I used the white primer because I was going back to the fancy pink color that it originally was. Everybody in the pool. It was dirty, chipped up, so I had to hit the major components and the wheels with some hot soap and water. The windscreen was really in good condition, just dirty. chromed up the wheels. Excuse me. With my Molotov pen, chrome pen. Here we're doing a couple of dips in the Pledge Revive It for the windscreen. Decided on a second dip. That's right, get it covered. Here I am with the exotic pink, as it's called. I rattle canned this one. Turned out really nice. Very good match. Here I'm putting the wheels back on. Here's all the pieces finished, ready for reassembly. This is what we started with, a Corgi's Whiz Wheel VW hot rod. Chipped up, dirty, well played with. Definitely in need of a restoration. Here's what we ended up with. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And again, I see a lot of people watching my videos. Hit that subscribe button. For now, this is Opa from Diecast Restorations saying goodbye.